Just look at this. Such a clean hairline. Such a clean hairline. What's up, you guys? How you doing? I hope you guys are doing good. You guys, today I have a kinky straight wig from Nadula Hair to show you guys, and it is a 5x5 closure. You guys know that when it comes to kinky straight wigs, I get excited, okay? I just get excited because I love kinky straight wigs. They mimic our natural hair when we straighten it, and they're very versatile, okay? Like, you can coil it, you can straighten it, it can be sleek, and it can go bigger if you want it. All right, so this is the wig, you guys. Just look at this texture. Just look at this. This is so pretty, so soft, so lovely, and it is 20 inches, which is the perfect length for this kind of hairstyle. And this is the wig cap. So it comes with a stretchy wig cap, a comb to secure it, and you know, these straps to secure it as well. This wig cap also has cutouts around the ears to make it comfortable around your ears when you wear it. It also comes with slots for elastic band, so if you want to add an extra elastic band so that you can secure it tightly to your hair, you can go ahead and do that. This is the elastic band that it came with, and this elastic band feels different. It looks different and it actually feels different. And this is the lace, you guys, so you can see that it has already been bleached. The knots have been bleached and the hairline has been plucked to make it look very realistic and nice. And you know, they've gone ahead to cut the lace for you. Okay, so this is a pre-everything wig. When they say pre-everything, this is an actual pre-everything wig, because you don't need to do anything to it. You can just remove it from the box, put it on your head, and drive to work or drive to the party. Okay, so that is why I like it. Just look at the lace, just look at the hairline, you guys. Look at the hairline, just look at the lace. Can you see that blend? So before I put it on my head, along these edges, just along the edges here, I'm going to put a little bit of foundation. I'll just put 1 or 2 shades darker than my normal skin tone, like my contour shade basically. I'm going to put it just at the edges there. The knots have been bleached, so you don't actually need to color everything. It will blend and look like your scalp, right? But the edges where it has been cut is where I like to just go across with some foundation, just so that you know it can blend seamlessly with the rest of the lace. Okay, so I have gone ahead to do that. You might not even notice it because it's just along these edges, but yeah, everything now blends well. I didn't even wear a wig cap because you know I really don't care about wearing wig cap right now. Okay, you guys, that was quite easy. That was actually quite easy. I didn't need to do any more blending. It just, what lace? Okay, what lace? The hairline looks very, very realistic, which is just fantastic. Like, what? You guys, I haven't even done anything to this wig. I haven't even sprayed anything. I don't even think I'm going to spray anything. I'm just going to style it the way it is. It's just an easy wig, okay? Easy to put on, easy to take off. I love it. Simple, easy breezy, and the length of this wig actually makes the wig look more like my hair somehow. Not really like my hair. Like, if you know me, you know it's not my hair, but the length makes it look way more realistic. Even the texture, it makes it look very realistic. It looks like basically someone who has long natural hair straightening their hair. Okay, like it's literally, I don't know if you guys can see this texture. I just increased the lighting so that you guys can see the hair very well. You guys, look at this texture. Are you seeing that texture? This texture looks very much like straightened natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead now and use my dryer brush to brush it out. I'm not going to use too much heat on it because I don't want it to become too sleek. I actually like the way it is. I even like the way it's not straight, but you know, I want to show you guys how it will look when you straighten it. But I like the fact that it's not straight. It makes it look more like natural hair. When I'm done, I'll do something to it so that it's not too straight. But let me just straighten it so that you guys can see what it looks like straightened. I don't absolutely need to do this, but I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on the lace. But I don't really need to do it because it already looks good. I'm just, you know, doing it so it can blend some more. The wig doesn't even have that many flyaways. Normally, I would have put glue stick on the hair, like close to the pattern. I would have put some glue stick on top of the hair, but I did not put, and I'm not seeing flyaways. Are you seeing flyaways? I'm not seeing. So this is actually a very easy wig. So this is the wig, you guys. This is it. I didn't really do anything much to it. The hairline is so nice. You guys, this hairline is everything. It looks so realistic. It looks so realistic. Like, what? Just look at this. Such a clean hairline. Such a clean hairline. I don't know why some people are still battling with wigs in 2024. Why are some people still having wig blindness in 2024? Wigs like this make it easy for you to slay without too much effort. I want to try coiling it a bit just so that it will have some volume at the bottom. Nothing serious whatsoever. Alright guys, that's it for this wig. It is from Nadula Hair. Like I said, it is a 5x5 pre-cut, pre-bleached. Everything has been done for you. You can just take it out of the box and you are good to go. I added some curls to it so the hair can actually take heat. I tried not to do too much because I didn't want to make it have too much curls, but even the little I did, the curls are still there. Yeah, so it can take heat, so you can style it up, you can style it down, you can do whatever you want to this wig. Mind you, I did not use any glue, I did not use anything. This is just the lace. Even the way it is styled, the way it was plucked, it looks so natural. So go and get this wig for yourself if you want. Bye guys. Nadula.